Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to unbox this. It is a mini fridge that I ordered from Walmart, and I got this during the Black Friday sale. I don't know if it's still available online, and I don't even know if it's available at the store. I bought this for $29.99, and so this is how it looks like. We're gonna open it and see how does it look in person. So it says it chills and it warms with the flip of a switch. Okay, so I have my old mini fridge, but this one is too old, like this one right here. This is, I think, 5 years old, and I also bought this from Walmart. I still use this one, but I feel like all of my skincare doesn't fit in here, so I decided to purchase another one after 5 years. But this one still works. So yeah, it's supposed to look like that. You know what? Let's just open it. So again, this is $29.99 US dollars. So it says here, thank you for purchasing personal chiller LED lighted mini fridge. So this mirror, I think it says that it lights up. So let's see. Here. Alright. Okay. So, aray ko. Ouch. Alright. Sorry if it's a little dark. I'm just using a tripod. I'm not using any like ring light or anything. So yeah. So this is how the fridge look like. And the door is right here, so when you open it, it's like that. So this is the plug. So it has an AC and DC plug, so you can plug it in your wall, and then one is another plug for your car if you wanna bring it, you know, when you travel, hot or cold, like that. So this is the one. There's two in here, so it's 1 and 2. And then this is how it looks like inside. It's a very cute pink, and then you can adjust this like that. Hold on, there. So you can adjust it. You want to make it you want to put all your tall skincare down here, and you want to put all the smaller ones up here. You can adjust if you want to make it like that. And it's LED, so when you press this button right here, it will light up. So let's try it. So this is how the back looks like. So this is where you plug in the AC, and this is where you plug in the DC, and this is the cool, off, and warm. So let's put it on the off button. Let's plug into an AC plug. There you go. So this is the AC, is where you plug into your wall, and this is like the vent, the back. This is mine. Let me see. Oh, it's almost the same as my old one. Yeah, I think it's a bit taller, but let's see. There you go. So, lights up, lights off, lights on, and it's a touch screen one. So let's turn on the cold. You can barely hear anything. It's actually a little quiet than this one. You know, the one that I have, the old one? It's kind of loud. See? Here? It's really loud. Like you can really hear the fan. I forgot what's the brand of this one, but this one's really loud. Like that. And this is where I put some of my skincare right here. There. And also my rollers and everything. Want to keep it cold like that. Yeah. And this one is like that. So yeah, but when I turn this off, this one is really quiet. And they're the same price. Hold on. And so when you open it like that, also there is a compartment here on the side. Let me turn this light off. There is a compartment here on the side. I don't know if you can see, where you can put your mask. Right there. Not the big ones, but you know, the smaller ones, like these Victoria's Secret ones. They have smaller packaging like that. So yeah. And close like that. So that's how you close it. And there's like a handle here on top that you can carry it like that, like there. And it's a cute baby pink color. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye. And this is how it looks like inside now. There I put my skincare and my skincare tools. There. Yeah. So yeah. And I took out the plastic of the mirror, so now it looks really clean. Right there. Yep. Here you go.